Very good. This is video lecture for ME 8693 heat and mass transfer in third year mechanical engineering 6th semester for heat and mass transfer subject or 5th unit of mass transfer. It's a small module in mass transfer, in convection mass transfer lecture will be discussed. Already we discussed in the classrooms mass transfer phenomena. What is the difference between heat and mass transfer? Heat transfer, the energy is transferred to the one region to another region due to temperature difference. That is called heat transfer. Here the mass transfer is the same to the energy transferred by the in terms of temperature difference. Here the concentrations of species. Heat transfer is transferred to the one system to another system. Here the mass transfer is transferred to one PC to another species. This is a heat and mass transfer phenomenon. Generally, heat transfer is based on the convection, conduction, radiation. Now it is a mass transfer. It's a two phenomena. In the conduction is based on the diffusion, and another one is a convection. The diffusion mass transfer is based on the Fick's law of diffusion. Fick's law of diffusion. In terms of heat transfer, the thermal conductivity is said to be found out by the Fourier's law of conduction. Here the mass transfer for the diffusion is Fick's law. Fick's law of diffusion. That is a mass transfer and heat transfer general difference. Today we discussed in diffusion in counter equimolar counter diffusion, isothermal diffusion, concentrations, different concentration, molar concentration, mole concentration, molar density. These are the discussed in the classrooms. Now this is a small module in convection heat transfer. It will be discussed in that sessions of video lecture. Students are useful to this lecture to follow this convection mass transfer. We will go to the general phenomena of heat and mass transfer. This is a small diagrams are introduced in this slide. We know that it is some features of heat and mass transfer. Some features of heat and mass transfer. Let me discuss in that way. Here the water and the salt. Here the water and the salt of mass transfer. Water is one species, salt is one species. Here, due to the heat or any after the 5 minutes, the water is mixed with completely into the salt. The higher concentration of flowed to the bottom of the surface. The lower concentration is spread over the entire water. It is water is a lower concentration. Salt is a higher concentration. That's why the heat transfer. That's why it is a mass transfer. There is a difference in heat transfer. In terms of heat transfer, the heat is transferred to the one place to another place. For this surface to this surface, the energy is transferred due to the temperature difference. For example, here the temperature is heated in that region. The temperature is for 100 degrees Celsius. Another one is 50 degrees Celsius. Due to the energy transfer, it will be transferred. That is called heat transfer. Now it is a mass transfer. Whenever there is an imbalance of commodity. Commodity means the species in the medium. Nature of tension residence distributed until the balance or equality established. Tendency often to the driving force. There is a driving force. This before water and salt and after and water and salt. The commodity of simply creeps. The commodity means the species. Simply creeps away during the redistribution. The flow of diffusion process. Diffusion means mixing of one fluid to another fluid. The commodity is proportional to the concentration gradient dC by dx. dC is a change in concentration with respect to the thickness, and the concentration as per the length and direction. We should follow the law of Fick's law. Q is directly proportional to minus K. Here the DAB and dC by dx. That is a K is a diffusion coefficient of the medium, which is measured the how fast to the commodity diffuse to medium, how fast the species to spread over the another species. That is called diffusion. For example, water and salt are mixing in that region. how fast to diffuse. That diffusion coefficient to be find out from the data book that is available. We take the data book and then take the find out the heat transfer coefficient or heat transfer or mass transfer. Mass transfer, how much of mass is transferred in that region we should follow. Next another example. This is examples of heat. This is examples of mass transfer. Here the water vapor, the liquid and gas. Liquid water, it will be evaporated to the heating surface. Solid and gas, dry ice and CO2. Another one is solid to liquid to gas, solid to gas. Solid is a dry ice and it is evaporated to the atmosphere, to the CO2. Here the solid liquid, the liquid is solid to liquid. Sugar is a solid, coffee is a liquid to the transferred. This is a one species, it is a one concentration species, it's another concentration species. Another is a solid to solid, iron and carbon is mixing. That is called the examples of mass transfer. Next one is analogy similar between heat and mass transfer. Analogy similar between heat and the mass transfer. We can develop the understanding of mass transfer short time with a little effort of simply drawing parallel between the mass and heat transfer. Here the mass transfer. This is a mass transfer. This mass transfer. This mass transfer. This is a mass transfer. This is a heat transfer. That is a mass transfer. It is a boundary is concentrations. It is CO2, 70% of CO2. It is a 10% of CO2. Due to the mass transfer, how fast to diffuse a mass in the entire region, 70% to 10%. It is a heat transfer. That only the temperature based on the heat concentration. Here the based on the mass concentrations. Here the 70 degrees Celsius of heat is transferred to the another surface due to the energy transfer to the heat. Here the how much of 70 ml, it is a volumetric concentration. For 70 ml of CO2, it transferred to this 10 ml of CO2. This is a percentage or volumetric diffusion is based on the mass transfer. Mass transfer generally is based on the molar density, molar mass, molar flux. It deals with the mole. Here the heat transfer it only deals with the energies and the temperature region. Here the temperature, the driving force of mass transfer, the concentration difference. This is a driving force of temperature in the concentration difference in mass transfer. Both and the heat and mass transfer from the more concentration region to less concentration. The heat transfer is transferred to the 70 degrees Celsius to where when the temperature is higher region to lower region. We know that the first law of thermodynamics or second law of thermodynamics, the thermodynamics also deals with the temperatures. Here the temperature is flowed from the higher region to lower region. There is no energy is input given, but the lower temperature to higher temperature is given to the some external force, that is called second law of thermodynamics. Similar that energy is transferred to the 70 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius. It is a temperature profile drawn to the in that side. So similar to for the mass transfer, the higher concentration of CO2, it is a lower concentration of DO2. It is transferred to the any type of diffusion for equimolar counter diffusion or steady state plane membrane. Any type of heat transfer transferred to the higher region to lower region. That is called the concentration difference. Here we indicate the concentration difference. When the conduction, when the mass transfer is conduction is called diffusion. It is called diffusion. Already earlier I told that the mass transfer is transferred to the conduction is called diffusion. And the convection only. In that the heat transfer is transferred to the convection, radiation. Here the radiation is not given. In that picture we can we can understood the mass transfer concept. The hot body, it is a hot body, it is evaporated of radiation. There is a radiation occurs in the heat transfer, but in the mass transfer there is no radiation. Only the conduction and the convection is placed. In that heat transfer, the Q conduction is equal to minus Ka dt by dx. What do you mean by Ka? It is a thermal conductivity. It is derived from the Fourier's law of heat conduction. K is a thermal conductivity. The rate of mass diffusion, here the mass transfer is M diffusion is equal to minus DAB A into dCA by dx. dCA is a concentration difference. dx is the thickness of the particular species. Here DAB is a diffusion coefficient. diffusion coefficient or mass diffusion. Ca is a concentration of the species in the mixture. For example, in the water and salt is a mixture. That is a higher concentration of salt and lower concentration of salt is find out the concentrations. The next one is analogy between heat and mass diffusion. When the heat generation, generally heat generation in heat transfer problems, internal heat generation is considered QG. The mass transfer also the heat generation is considered. Some mass transfer problem we can solve the chemical reaction occurs within the medium of generation of species throughout. Therefore, the species generation volumetric phenomena. Such a reaction is that occurs in medium is called homogeneous reaction analysis to the generations. In contrast, some chemical reaction generation species at the surface result chemical reaction occurring at the surface contact with the surroundings. Generally, mass transfer is based on the biomedical applications and medical applications for tablet productions of all this. That's why we consider the volumetric phenomenon. For volumetric phenomenon, how much ml of drugs in that mass transfer reaction. In mass transfer studies, such a reaction is called heterogeneous reactions. Heterogeneous means one or more species are involved. Specified surface of heat flux. In heat transfer, it is only the homogeneous reaction. Homogeneous means the same region. It is a heterogeneous for the two species are involved in that mass transfer. The next one is a convection. Mass convection or mass convection. Mass convection or converting mass transfer medium between the surface and moving fluid that involves both mass diffusion. Surface and moving fluid. Mass convection or converting mass transfer is mechanism between surface and moving of fluids. Generally, we know that the convection, what is the convection? The energy transfer between the surface medium to the surface to fluid. That is called convection. Convection is a two types of convection in heat transfer. One is a forced convection, another one is a forced convection, another is a natural convection. Fluid motion also engages with the mass transfer considerably. In mass transfer convection, we define the concentration of boundary layer in analogy manner. Thermal boundary layer define new dimensionless number that are counterparts in Nusselt number and Prandtl numbers. We recall the convection of heat transfer. The convection of heat transfer is only the energy transfer to the solid surface to the fluid boundary. The boundary layers developed. Already we know that boundary layer, thermal boundary layer, and the hydrodynamic boundary layers are found out. Similarly, in that concentration region, only the concentration boundary layers are involved in that convection type problems. Only the mass convection difference between the heat convection and mass convection. In that mass convection, there is a mass transfer mechanism between the fluid solid surface to the fluid medium to the bulk fluid motion. In that heat transfer, it is a small amount of bulk motion is transferred. In mass convection, we consider the bulk motion of fluid to the solid surface to the fluid region. Every transfer to the convection, we call the boundary layer. That boundary layer is called a concentration boundary layer. It is a simple diagram. We shown that figure. The mass convection that mass convection is equal to H mass A into Cs minus C infinity. Is a concentration difference is mass transfer. Similarly, heat convection is H convection AS Ts minus T infinity. T is a surface temperature minus fluid temperature. Here the convection is a Newton law of cooling. Here the rate of mass of convection. Here H mass, the mass transfer coefficient, AS is the surface area. Cs minus C infinity, the suitable concentration between across the boundary layer. It is a simple analogy between convection and heat transfer. What is the small difference is convection is solid surface to boundary, solid surface to fluid boundary. Here the same to the convection means there are two types of convection, natural convection and forced convection. For natural convection means by means of buoyancy force. By means of buoyancy force and the density difference. That is called bulk fluid motions. And then the forced convection means we apply the external force like that fan, blowers, or extract extra additional force to order into the concentration. That is called forced convection. Similar to the internal flow and the external flow of Heat transfer is also the mass transfer problems. Mass conversion complicated to the fluid geometry, fluid flow region, flow velocity, various are considered. Therefore, the extreme relations of mass transfer usually analyzed with mass basis. Elderly I told that mass transfer problem we base on the mass basis and the molar basis of volumetric basis. It is a boundary layer and the velocity profile of the mass transfer. And the for force is applied to the in that region, in that layer, this is a concentration profile. It is a concentration profile. It's a concentration boundary layer. When the air is to when the force is applied together up to the boundary layer, we can find out the which type of fluid. It is there are two types of fluid flow is in that convection. One is a laminar flow, another one is a turbulent flow. Turbulent flow is a zigzag. Laminar flow is a smooth movement. The laminar flow and turbulent flow is based on the dimensionless numbers. Here also dimensionless number involved in the mass transfer problems. What are the dimensionless numbers in heat transfer? It is a Reynolds number, Grosclub number, Prandtl number, Nusselt number. The similar analogies based on the mass transfer. It also the some numbers are placed. There, what are the numbers are placed? It's a Prandtl number. Prandtl number is momentum diffusion with thermal diffusivity. And the Schmidt number is a Schmidt number is plays a very important role in the mass transfer problem. The Schmidt number is V by DAB. V by DAB. It's a important role in Prandtl number and in terms of Schmidt number. Here, the heat transfer problem is Prandtl number is involved in the major type of Nusselt number finding. Here the mass transfer is a Schmidt number is placed. This is a momentum diffusivity of a molecular diffusion, mass diffusivity. These are the values are taken from the database. A simple velocity, the development of the velocity, thermal concentration boundary layers of internal flow in the pipes and etc. This is a internal flow. It's a concentration boundary layer. It's a thermal boundary layer. It's a velocity boundary layer. Concentration boundary layer is based on the mass transfer after the fully developed flow regions. This is simultaneous of and the another note is Sherwood number also plays. The Sherwood number in terms of Nusselt number, we should follow the Sherwood number. Sherwood number concentration boundary to the ratio of concentration of species to the boundary. Also involved in that mass transfer problems. Simultaneous of heat and mass transfer. Mass transfer encounter the particle isothermally and do not involve the heat transfer. This is a simple examples of mass transfer. Drying of cloth, it's evaporation. How to our cloth are evaporated with the water into the surrounding of air. It's a drying of cloth. Heat absorption, heat rejection, condensation, evaporation, liquid evaporations of fine droplet. With the ablation, plastic glasses. These are the best examples of our mass transfer. Many problems of the particle surface, the mass transfer. So generalized many phase change, sublimation, condensation, heat transfer simultaneously involved in the mass transfer process. This is only the heat of evaporation and it is called exhalation. Also followed in the mass transfer process. Okay. It's a diffusion coefficient gases depend on the temperature. Diffuses gases based on the temperature. The diffusion rates are higher concentration, the molecular spacing, higher diffusion rates. Gases, liquids, solids. The initial concentration, These are the concentrations of the mass transfer problems. The simple analogy between, now we discussed about the simple analogy between heat and the mass transfer. That is a parameter for the heat transfer, this is a mass transfer. It's a driving force. Driving force is a temperature gradient. Temperature heat transfer problems, driving force is a temperature gradient and is a concentration gradient. Proportionality constant is a thermal conductivity based on the Fourier's law of heat conduction. Here the proportionality constant is diffusion coefficient based on the Fick's law of diffusion. Modes of heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation. Here the conduction and the convection only. Conduction is based on the diffusion and convection. Internal heat generation. Internal heat take place in the system. Species of heat take place. Convection coefficients. Here heat transfer coefficient of mass transfer coefficient. What are the dimensional numbers are used in the mass transfer depends upon the Nusselt number and the Prandtl number. This only that depends upon the shear root number and the Schmidt number. These are the general analogy between mass heat and mass transfer. It is a simple 6-mark questions over heat transfer topic, heat and mass transfer topic. Some formulas are used in the flat plate problems in the heat and mass transfer. Here the Reynolds number, assist of this Reynolds number. How can we find out the Reynolds number when the velocity is given? The Reynolds number is a forced convection. U is a velocity, x is a distance, mu is a kinematic viscosity. And the Reynolds number is less than 5 into 10 power 5. It is called laminar. The velocity is less than 5 into 10 power 5. It is called laminar. And the Reynolds number is greater than 5 into 10 power 5. It is a turbulent. Based on the Reynolds number value, we can find out the laminar. Or laminar flow, our heat and the mass transfer data book, page number, I think the 186, 185, the local shear root number we should follow. Find out SHS is equal to 0.332 REX, our Reynolds number of local X. That X is a local velocity number 0.5, Schmidt number 0.333. Average shear root number SH is equal to 0.664 RE power 0.5 SE power 0.333. 0.333. SC is a Schmidt number. How can we find out a Schmidt number? A Schmidt number also found at the molecular diffusivity of momentum divided by mass of diffusion. Mass of the diffusivity, diffusion coefficient, that is called molecular diffusivity, mu divided by DAB. Mu value is taken from the data book based on the which fluid is used, which fluid is given in the problem, the temperature is given to take the properties from the data books. Mu is kinematic viscosity, DAB is a diffusion coefficient, meters per second. Next one is a shear root number. Shear root number. To find out the shear root number, HMX divided by DAB. HM is a mass transfer coefficient, X is a distance, DAB is a diffusion coefficient. This is a simple procedure is followed the same to the heat transfer problem. In terms of heat transfer or convection, we should follow the Nusselt number, Nu, HL by K or HD by K. Here the shear root number is placed in terms of Nusselt number. That is the small difference in heat and mass transfer. HM, mass transfer coefficient per meter per second. We should, many of the problems, we should find out the HM value. For turbulent flow, this is a turbulent flow. What is in the turbulent flow? Reynolds number is greater than 5 into 10 power 5. It is called turbulent flow. It is in the convection problems, we followed in the mass transfer only for the forced convection types. Why is it forced convection types? Its velocity is given. That's why it is a forced convection types. For example, it is a one fully turbulent from leading edge. One is a fully turbulent is from leading edge. Shear root number. This formula is also available from the heat and mass transfer data book, page number 186 of convection. Shear root number SH is equal to 0.0296 RE power 0.8 SE power 0.333. Next one is a combined laminar turbulent. Why it is called combined laminar? Up to the RE 5 in 10 power 5, it is a laminar. After that, 5 into 10 power 5 region, it is called turbulent. Therefore, the combined laminar and turbulent of shear root number SH is equal to 0.0037, Reynolds number for 0.8 minus 871, close the bracket, Schmidt number for 0.2. After that, find out the local Nusselt number. We should find out the HM value to put all the values in SH. That is equal to SH equal HM X divided by DAB. It is a small, simple procedures followed for the convection type mass transfer. In that our university question paper, the 15th questions is mass transfer. The 15th questions is divided into two parts. One is 15th A and 15th B. Based on our previous lectures in our classrooms, mass transfer problem, EQ molar counter diffusion, concentration, molar density, molar concentrations type problem 1. Another is EQ molar counter diffusion, isothermal evaporation, steady state plane numbering. It's a diffusion. Now we are now that topic is convection type. Convection type means we used that type of problem, that type of equation in we are asking the problem. We should easily derive this problem. Generally, it is the easiest way to solve the problem in convection. Next one. it is, we solve the one problem. We solve the one problem in our tutorial classes. Here, now we solve the one problem in convection. Here, the air at 10 degrees Celsius with a velocity of 3 meters per second flows over a flat plate. The plate is 0.3 meter long. The plate is 0.3 meter long. Calculate the mass transfer coefficient. It's a simple problem. It's a simple problem. It is a simple problem. We solve that. Here the fluid temperature, that is a given data. The air is 10 degrees Celsius, flow over the flat plate. Okay. Now the fluid temperature that is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. The velocity is 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Length x is equal to 0.3 meter. Length is called m. To find what we find mass transfer coefficient. Right. We should solution. How can we solve this problem? First, every problem, so what type of fluid is given? Here the fluid is air. That fluid temperature is T infinity equal to 10 degrees Celsius. From the heat and mass transfer data book, take the properties from the values. Here the data book value is 44. This is previous data book values, previous editions. Now our book page 8th editions. Now, therefore, the properties of air 10 degrees Celsius, we take the data book page number 44. Kinematic viscosity is equal to 14.16 in 10 power minus 6 meters square per second. In type of convection problem, we take the some values of Prandtl number, K value, all the values are taken from data book. Now it is only the simple mu value is taken from data book 14.16 10 power minus 6 meters per second. Next step, we should find out the Reynolds number. Why it is a Reynolds number found out? Why called this Reynolds number? If the velocity is given, there is a force of convection. Therefore, we should find out the Reynolds number. Reynolds number Re is equal to Ux by mu. Ux by mu. U is a velocity, X is a distance, mu is a kinematic viscosity. We should calculate the value of Re is equal to 0.63 10 power 5. General students are confused in that region. 5 into 10 power 5 is 5. Now the 0 point, that is a less than 5 in 10 power 5. That is called Reynolds number is laminar. Next, we should find out the for laminar flow for flat plate is Sherwood number from the data book page number 184. Sherwood number is equal to 0.664 Reynolds number power 0.5 SC power 0.333. This is average Reynolds number. That is not a local Reynolds number. Local Sherwood number is average Sherwood number. SC is a schematic number. Schematic number means mean by DAB. Here DAB value is not given. From the data book, the diffusion coefficient water plus air at 10 degrees Celsius. In the data book page number 187, the values are given. Or the diffusion coefficient also given in that problem. For sometimes the diffusion coefficient is 3006 meters square by hour. It should be converted into second. 74.1 and 10 power minus 3 meters square by 3600 s. 74.1 10 power minus 3 meters square by hour that converted into second. That is equal to DAB is equal to 2.50 into 10 power minus 5 meters square per second. Now the values are SC is equal to 0.637 from the numerical value. Put the calculator carefully in your problem. SC is equal to 0.637. Substitute SC in Sherwood number. So finally, we calculate the Sherwood number 147. That 147 value is find out from the HM value. 147 from the cross multiplication. We generally finally we calculate the mass transfer coefficient is equal to HM is equal to 0.01 meter per second. It's a simple problem. It's asked in the university questions. It's the easiest way. So first we calculate the properties value from the data book. Next one is a Reynolds number. Another one is a Sherwood number. Another is a schematic number. Then they calculate from the data book value, put the value of Sherwood number, local Sherwood number or average Sherwood number. Then we calculate from the